This is Project Highline, an E.C.D custom Defender 110, built to our client's exact specifications. Project Highline is painted in full gloss Porsche dark blue with black accents. Project Highline sits on 18-inch sawtooth wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This Defender 110 features a classic front bumper with daytime running lights, NAS style rear bumper and 2 work lights in the rear. On the inside, Project Highline features a Momo Prototipo steering wheel with classic white gauges, Corbeau sport front and mid-row seats, and 4 inward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is wrapped in horizontal Garrett Torino caviar leather stitched together in black. This Defender 110 is powered by LS3 V8 430 horsepower engine with 6-speed auto transmission. This Defender 110 also features an array of modern elements such as Alpine touchscreen radio with Pioneer sound, Apple CarPlay, rear AC and access to USB connection.